Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. I'm very excited to be announcing my first ever Amazon and product finding bootcamp. We're going to be holding it on the Gold Coast. It's going to be a fantastic event. Let me ask you a couple of quick questions. Are you stuck right now? Are you wanting to jump onto Amazon, but you're not too sure where to get started, not too sure what products to sell on Amazon? Maybe you're just unsure even where to find the suppliers. Maybe you sort of heard about Alibaba, you've heard about some of these things that the factories do over there with people wanting to buy products and sell them on Amazon. Well, guys, I'm holding this 2-day event. It's for particular people that want to get started with Amazon. So they're super serious. They want to start selling products online. They're not too sure, what kind of products to get into, what kind of niche to get into, what kind of industry, what kind of products to actually get, what kind of products are actually profitable. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm putting together this 2-day event. We're going to go through on the first day, we're going to narrow down your product. So if you're unsure about the niche, we're going to narrow that down on the first day. The second day is actually, let me just go back a second here. The first day, not just about narrowing down your niche or your industry and your product, we're going to find 2 or 3 products you can sell in that same niche, in that same Amazon store. Now the second day is all about setting up your account. So setting up your account live in the room. So we're going to list the products there for sale. We're going to go through Amazon strategy to selling, to doing sponsored ads, to actually putting your product up there higher than your competitors, because there are quite a few competitors on Amazon. You haven't missed the boat. There's still a lot of room out there, a lot of great products online, but there is a strategy involved to selling on Amazon, to actually advertising on Amazon, to finding and to upselling people when they bought one product, to actually buying or getting them to subscribe and sell them another product then and there. So guys, we're going to discuss all that in the room. If you want to find out more about this 2-day event, click the link below. We actually have it listed there. Now guys, this event really, it's for serious folks. So if you've been putting this up for a while, maybe you want to start a side business, make some extra income on the side, then this is a great opportunity for you to come along and learn at this great 2-day event. So limited seating, obviously we can only fit about 35 people in the room. So do definitely book your place in fast. And guys, thank you for joining me. Hope you have a fantastic day. And my name is Alex Ryan. Also, don't forget, check out my website. All right, we've got a free webinar on there as well. Have an awesome day. See you later.